Hello, just a short update on our garden. Today is June 4, so here's the delphinium, and then the dianthus, our dwarf irises. So one bloom was eaten by the chipmunk. He tried to eat it, but then I guess he doesn't want it. But this bud, it was bitten. And we have a rosebud, so hopefully. And then update on the Shasta daisies that I planted, all eaten, as well as this one. See, I was hoping for an update on how it will be doing after the transplant. Anyway, so here the pink roses, lots of buds. Oops. Then update on the hostas that I planted. So this one, I cut the 2 leaves and it looks more perky now than yesterday. Yesterday, that other leaf, the one leaf that was left, was on the ground, and then this other half with better roots has shoot up a new leaf. So I think it's doing great, and I just put flimsy fence just to be able to protect. And then another update on our peonies. So there are more blooms now. But I guess there were more blooms last year than now, but couldn't complain. Still looks good. And then we have salvia, looking good. So we just thought my husband already transferred all the salvia, but this was left. We didn't know. So looks good. And this is Speedwell. It has buds. And then we have 2 hibiscus. Looking good. So another Speedwell. And this is Medallia. It has sprouted. And then there are 2 Asiatic lilies. Supposedly there were supposed to be 4. And another Speedwell. This one. Another dahlia. And another dahlia. Okay. Geranium looks so lonely alone there. And the begonia, and this one is one of the roses that we bought. It has a bloom, but the chipmunk is always trying to eat it. This one is the knockout rose. Has bloomed, small one, and there's another one. I don't know. There was a stem that was broken. So it's probably the chipmunk again. I don't know. And then our petunias, the one I put in plant box, looking great. Lots of blooms. And here, hanging baskets. Dahlia. And then Icarus, another salvia, small one. And we have white petunia, sedum. And Icarus again. This is a forsythia, but it hasn't bloomed for us yet. Another salvia. And then petunias. And this one is a hibiscus. The other one is also a hibiscus. I don't know what's eating. And then daylilies have buds. The Eucharis. And then our hosta. It's a flower. Looking good. And then hellebores. And the Eucharis that I divided. They're starting to rebound. And the pulmonaria, and then our ferns, and two hostas given by my auntie. And here, look at the roses, pink rose, lots of buds, and this one is a big, nice rose. Also another one here. I've cleaned this. I still have to mulch. And then we have more buds over there near the window. It's a forsythia. I trimmed it. It looks good now. Better. And our peony is nearing bloom to bloom. I put a stake because it's so heavy. Three other buds. And our yellow rose has bloomed. See, so nice. Another one. I have to spray on it because somebody might get the bud. Always disappears. And then here, yellow yarrow. The rest of the garden. Another salvia. See, more holes. I just keep on stepping on them. And our caramel euchera, more eucheras. And another nice. More holes here. Just stepping on them to make it even, to make it go away. And look at our hosta. The new leaf is out. As you can see, I just step on the new holes. How to get rid of those things. Okay. There's a petunia. Looking good. The other side. This one still has to fill in. And my begonia, geranium, has more leaf. And this one. These are hosta. And that rosy. It's not Sophie, it's Rosie. And then this, oh no, I have to water this. It's for it to recover.